This, ladies and gentlemen, is my NOVOCADO SMASH. That's right, there's no avocado in it. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist, and I've been trying to think up this recipe for a while, and I've been playing with it to get that perfect consistency. So it looks like avocado smash, it tastes a bit like avocado smash, and it's certainly got the avocado smash texture. And some people are allergic to avocados, and some people just don't like to eat too many of them. So this is a great alternative. It's also higher in protein. So if you're trying to up your protein intake, you need to try this. How did I make it? The recipe is in the caption, but I did a blend of chickpeas and peas with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. And it's a creamy consistency, which is absolutely gorgeous. Can you see? What I've done is I've taken a piece of sourdough bread, I've toasted it, I've rubbed it with raw garlic, I've put some good quality olive oil over the top, and then put the NOVOCADO smash on top. I would still add some extra protein. So maybe you want to add a couple of poached eggs, maybe some slices of mozzarella, maybe some crispy tofu, just to up that protein even further if you're going to have it for breakfast or lunch. But it's a fantastic way to enjoy peas and chickpeas, increase your fibre, increase your protein, and actually it's a fantastic avocado alternative. NOVOCADO, it's going to catch on. It tastes insane. You've got to try this.